Good morning, afternoon, evening, guys. Whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are in the world. Preferably evening, as this story is kind of creepy. Now, this is the story of Maria, who lived in England and worked in a rag factory. Now, Maria had just got back from holiday where she spent 2 weeks in Venezuela. She had a wonderful time there and couldn't wait to go back the following year. However, one day after work, Maria couldn't help but notice a little spot on the side of her cheek. First she thought it was just a normal spot, so she ignored it. However, after several days, the spot began to get larger and become incredibly itchy. After a few more days, the spot had now grown into rather a big looking blister. Maria, being a bit concerned, then decided to go to the doctors. The doctor looked at it and said it looked like a boil, but was a little bit confused because boils don't really itch. He said, try not to scratch it and see if it goes down in a few days. So Maria did that. However, the boil carried on growing and becoming more and more itchy. One night, Maria couldn't stand it anymore. She got up, went to the bathroom, turned on the light, and looked in the mirror. The boil was now the size of a rather large grape and was really itching. So Maria decided to scratch it. She scratched it, and it felt so good. It was such a relief that the itching was finally going. However, as she caught the boil with her nail, it then burst, and out came hundreds of baby spiders. They ran all over her face, in her eyes, and in her mouth. Maria screamed in terror. The screaming woke up Maria's husband, and he quickly jumped out of the bed and ran into the bathroom. Maria's husband was also shocked, seeing the hundreds of little spiders running all over Maria's face. He quickly wet a flannel and rubbed it on Maria's face, clearing all the little spiders off of it. Maria was really shaken up, but after a few weeks, she finally was a lot happier. But she will never forget that terrifying experience. Good night.